Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you share playlist on Spotify 2024. So to share playlist on Spotify, at first just launch your Spotify app. Now after launching your Spotify app, click the bottom third option, your library. Now after going to library, you will see all of your playlists are here. Just click on a playlist like this one, and now to share a playlist, just click on this three dot icon, and here you can see the last option is share. Just click on share, and you can just share your playlist anywhere you want. If you just click on copy link, you can share it anywhere, or you can just share it to various platforms that are shown here. You can also send it to anyone. There are so many platforms are here. So guys, that's how you can share your playlist on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.